There is no secret that we all love watching videos every single day. You are even watching a video right now. So what if you can get paid for doing so? So you can sit on your couch, lay on your bed, or even relax at the beach and still make money just by watching videos from your computer, laptop, or smartphone device. If that becomes boring, well, I know that won't. But if that's the case, you can open a video and do anything else or even go to sleep. By the way guys, congratulations to Daniela Kinunin who won the $1,000 premium course by commenting on my last video. And you guys also can join this contest. What you can do is to comment your favorite drink down below. Type my favorite drink is and stand a chance to win this $1,000 premium course. And with this course, you can quit your job, work from home and travel the world just like me. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so I'll be sending you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Start with the first website. Go to cashkick.com. It's KASHKICK.com. And here you are not gonna get paid by gift cards or points or anything like that. You are actually gonna get direct payments to your PayPal. To be honest, you need a PayPal account, and if you don't have one, unfortunately this won't work out. But in this video I'll show you 2 other websites where you can make money even without a PayPal account. So stay with me until the end. So this says cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you are already doing online. Answer surveys, find great deals, watch videos, surf the web. Answering surveys is kind of boring, you know, and finding great deals, you don't want to spend that much of time. And we are here to watch videos. And you can even surf the web. You are a fan of Google, right? You can do that as well. And here when you go down, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Find and complete your mission. From answering surveys to watching videos, there are always great easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you'd like, there's no limit. Watch the earnings grow in your account. Your insight help companies grow, so they are happy to pay you for your time and effort. Just sit back and watch the money pile up as you complete your missions. Cash out early, easily and often. Cashkick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market, and they deposit your money quickly, securely and conveniently, starting at just $5 at a time. And how does it work? Companies are eager to get their deals in front of the consumers like you and to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they'll even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection. I guess you all have that, and they'll take care of the rest. And you can find some testimonials out here. I'm not spending that much of time here. You can go through this site and read the testimonials as well. But remember to stick with me, because there are some things that you could be doing wrong if you do this all by yourself, to be wasting your time. And also I'll show you 2 other bonus sites that will make this easier for you. This is an easy version of a side hustle, you know. You won't become a multimillionaire or you won't buy your private jet by this, but this will surely make you some good side income effortlessly. And all you need to do is to enter your email and choose a password and get started right now. And the second website I'm gonna reveal you is quickrewards.net. As you can see, it's there since 2002. You can complete surveys, play games, watch videos, complete offers, shop online as well. Surveys is kind of boring. You can play games, that's nice. Watching videos is the best part. Complete offers, you can choose these 2 actually. If you like, you can do the other things as well. Quick redemptions, no minimum for PayPal, quick payments, weekly mailing of gift cards. Here they are referring to gift cards, because if you don't want any money to your PayPal, you can get some gift cards like Amazon and all. And when you go down, you can see this, it's 1 cent, the minimum to redeem. The payment threshold is just 1 cent, and they have paid over $7 million since 2002, and it's there for like how many years now? It's 2021. That means 19 years. Sorry about my math. That is 19 years. Since 19 years, they have been paying to people all over the world. You can earn free PayPal, free Amazon gift cards, free in-store gift cards to nearly 50 national retailers and restaurants, including Walmart, Disney, Target, Home Depot, Red Lobster, Kohl's, Domino's Pizza, Best Buy, GameStop, and more. And to get started, create an account by filling a simple form. By the way guys, I really hope you guys are getting some value out of this video. And if you do, don't forget to drop a like to it. Leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button over there and tap the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get back to the third site. It's called creationsrewards.net. Stay with me guys, because I'll show you a very important secret right here. So here also they have paid online service, those boring surveys. No offense guys, we offer many daily surveys that you can complete each day. Visit our daily surveys area, and for each survey you complete, you'll earn rewards. And this is the best part, rewards for watching videos. Like to watch videos online? I would have used this phrase in the beginning of the video. Anyways, get rewarded for each video you watch in our videos section. New ones are always being added, so check often. I think logging in every day and spending about 5 minutes here will make you some money. Again, you can get paid to try offers as well if you are interested. We've partnered with leading advertisers who want you to try their products and services online. Check out our offer wall area and where you can earn thousands of free points. Here they are talking about points. Earn cash back for online shopping. It's like a rebate on each purchase. But here I recommend you to watch videos so you'll get paid. And this website also pays you cash plus gift cards. And in this website also you have to sign up by clicking here, and you have to create an account, and in your account you can see your earning history, reward history, your profile, and you can contact them whenever you want. And now here's the most important thing I wanted to tell you. Watch all the videos from all 3 websites I showed you at the same time. How can you do that? Well, as I said earlier, go to Cashgi and create a new account. Go to quickrewards.net, create a new account, and go to creationsrewards.net and create an account, and open all the sites in new tabs, and you can watch all 3 videos at the same time. And if you have more devices such as mobile phones or second laptops, you can watch multiple videos at the same time while you are doing anything else. As I said earlier, you don't have to be watching all these videos. Just open up new tabs and you can do whatever you want. And I wanted to tell you, feel free to comment any of the questions you have, and I'll be always happy to respond. And also there's a YouTube masterclass in the description down below that will teach you to run 9 profitable YouTube channels and earn 6 figures monthly. You can check that out as well. And here on the screen you get 2 free tutorials. You can check those out as well. And thanks for watching.